drop-down list allows people to pick an item from a list that you create. Let's see how to create a drop-down list. In a separate worksheet, type the entries you want to appear in your drop-down list. Now, select a cell or range of cells where you want to show the drop-down list. On the Data tab, in Data Tools group, go to Data Validation. On the Settings tab, in the Allow box, select List. Select the source box. And then select your list range. If you want a message to pop up when the cell is selected, select the Input Message tab. Type a title and message in the boxes. If you want a message to pop up when someone enters something that's not in your list, select the Error Alert tab. Type a title and message. Click Apply. After you create your drop-down list, you can click the arrow and pick an item from the list. If a user tries to enter a value that is not valid, an error alert appears with your customized message. Click Retry, and from drop-down list select an item.